In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. Then launch it. Click Consent and kill the music by tapping at the bottom left corner. To access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and operate all of those. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select the Save Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!